Hello everyone, welcome to Alizarin Digital Imaging. In this video, we will explain you how to use direct sublimation paper to print your t-shirt step by step. Okay, let's get into the video now. Step 1. Choose your own image or designed image by using any design software, then set the printer setting with the image you choose.
Then print the image using Alizarin's HTF-300 direct sublimation paper.
You can use any kind of inkjet printer with sublimation ink or water-based ink. Step 2. Use the cutting plotter to cut the image precisely. Here we used Alizarin's Panda cutting plotter. Set 30-degree angle blade 180G cutting plotter with 600 mm speed. Step 3. Peel the coating flecks that surrounding the image. Step 4. Set the heat press machine at 165 degrees Celsius for 25 seconds and preheat your fabric before placing the image. Now peel the image from the back paper and place it on the fabric. After that, place the greaseproof paper and small fabric on the top of the fabric. Step 5. Now heat press the fabric with moderate pressure. After heat press for 25 seconds, now remove the small fabric and greaseproof paper from the fabric. Your printed fabric is ready now. With bright color and good washable, we can also customize our t-shirts, gift bags, mouse pads, photographs on quilts and more. Thanks for watching the video. Visit our website www.alizaringroup.com to view all our products and download the catalogs, and also contact our sales managers for any business inquiries.